Hi, all of you. Naman Chida, Dharya. Hi. Hello, Naman. Hello. Hello, Naman. Hello, Dharya. Manas. Jaya. Ritvik. Ritvik. Yes, yes. Ritvik. Yeah. Ritvik, good evening. Hello, everybody. Hello. Yes. Come on, all of you. Yeah, how are you all? How are you all? Good evening, good evening, good evening. Yes, yes, can't. I hope I am audible and visible to all. Yeah, yes, children. It's a happy evening to all of you, and just a week left for your all exam Silver Zone IMO NSOs to be over. And I know you are going to give your best. You are well prepared. So today we are completing question paper of year 2017 after doing 2019-18. That amounts to 35 questions into 3 papers. So that's very good. Wonderful. Hello, Akshra. Hi, JJ. Yes, very good. Welcome once again. And yes, we come to question number 40. Let us see who does it. Hi, Akshara. Hi, Akshara. Very good. All the best to my dear little champs. Sahil is 15 years old. I read question number 40. Sahil is 15 years older than his nephew. 15 years older than his nephew. So age is being compared with nephew. Hello, Naman. 3 years hence means plus 3. His age will be twice the age of his nephew. Find the present age of Sahil's nephew. I know all of you can do this question because we have done a lot of practice of these questions in the class as well. Yes, hello Ritvik. Hello. Wonderful. Amazing children. Yes. Sahil is 15 years older than his nephew. So you will suppose let nephew is equal to X years. I'm giving you the hint. जिसका भी नेम बाद में लिखा होगा आप उसको सपोज करोगे. Then Sahil is 15 years older. अगर 15 times होता तो 15 से मल्टीप्लाई करते. 15 years older है तो ऐड करेंगे. So Sahil will be how much? Sahil will be x plus 15. Oh, Manas has calculated also. 3 years hence his age will be. After 3 years, Sahil will be x plus 15 plus 3 and nephew will be x plus 3. Right? So after 3 years, his age will be twice the age of his nephew. Means x plus 18, Sahil's age will be twice the age of his nephew. So when you solve it, you get 12 years. B option is correct. Very good. X plus 18 is equal to twice of x plus 3. So x plus 18 is equal to 2x plus 6. So x minus 2x is equal to 6 minus 18. Minus x is equal to minus 12. Minus minus gets cancelled. So x is equal to 12 years is your answer. Very good, right? Very good. This child is new bonsai. Yeah, bonsai is new child. Yes. Radhika, you misclicked it. Radhika misclicked it. Yes. Next. Yeah. The average, see children, when you have done lot of practice, you find the thing easy. जो आपने सीख लिया वो आसान, जो नहीं सीखा वो difficult, right? So there is lot of learning in Vedantu Olympiad School. I know all of you have already subscribed the channel. If not, then first press the button of like and subscribe, and then let's move to question number 41. The average height of the average height of 20 students of a class is 105 centimeters. Average is what? Average is sum of observations upon number of observations. That is called as the average. How many observations are here? 20. 20 is the number of observations. And average of the class is 105. So x is the sum and its average comes out to be 105. Similarly, if 10 more students of average height of 120 centimeter join the class, means y sum of these upon 10 students is 120. So what is the average height of the class? Yes, who is going to give me? Okay, Neha. Okay, very good. Yes. Very good, children. I'm waiting for your answer. Guys, if you have liked it, share it more and more with your friends. And your exam is there in these 2 days. I know. Hello, Dikshit. Hello. So you say, Dikshit is the first one to say option D, and you are right. Option D is the correct answer. See, how do we get it? How many of you do not know? Yeah, many of you, those who are watching the session, they may not be knowing. So average is जितने भी लोगों क्लास में बच्चे हैं उन सब का सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन में सबकी हाइट का सम अपॉन नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस means 105 is the average of when total height is x of all the students divided by 20. So x is 105 into 20. Similarly, that means that is the sum of height of 20 students, right? Similarly, if you have to find out y, means height of next 10 students, it will be 120 into 10. So 2 fives, what do you get? 1 and 5, 2 fives are 10, 2 ones are 2, 210, 2100. Here you get 1200. So what is the total sum? Total sum is 2100 plus 1200 and it is of how many students? 20 का हमने पहले find किया, 10 का बाद में. So we divide by 30. You add, अब यहीं पर 3 sevens नहीं कर दीजिएगा. Add all of them. Yes, you get 3300 upon 30, that is equal to 110. Very good, very good. Yes, good, Ritvik, very good. All of you are very focused children. I know all those who are watching the channel, they are definitely going to get lot of benefit. My wonderful little champs. Sonali invests money in 3 different schemes. थोड़ा सा tricky है for 6 years, 10 years and 12 years at 10% per annum, 12% per annum and 15% per annum. This is a special question. Okay. So at simple interest respectively. All those who are not watching now but will watch later, please do this question number 42. At the completion of each scheme, she gets the same interest. That means interest is same. This is T1. This is T1, then time 2, then time 3. Rate 1, rate 2, and rate 3 at simple interest. I1 is equal to I2 is equal to I3. You have to find out ratio of P1 is to P2 is to P3. So who can do this question? Yes, JJ थोड़ा wrong है क्योंकि question थोड़ा सा tricky है. Shall I solve it or you are trying? Come on, I'll do it for you. Answer is 6 is to 3 is to 2 and see how. See, first of all, I1 is P1. In P1, say P1 you can say write it as X. Okay, P1 you can write it as X. Into rate is how much? 10%. Into time is how much? 6 upon 100. I2 that comes to how much? 60x upon 100, right? Now I2 is equal to how much? 10 years and how much interest? 12%. So y into 10 into 12 upon 100, it comes to 120 y upon 100, right? Then I3, you get z into 15 into, yes, z into 15 into 12 upon 100. This gives you 180 z upon 100. Now you have to say that they all three are equal. I1 is equal to I2 is equal to I3. That means I am writing it over here. I don't have a space, I think so. So that means 60x upon 100 is same as 120y upon 100 is same as 180 z upon 100. 100 gets cancelled. This gives you 60, ones are 60, so 1x equal to 2y equal to 3z, right? sorry, ratio. We are finding out the three interests were equal. So this, now you have to find out the ratio between x is to 2y is to 3z. This was the ratio. So ratio between these principles will be x is to 2y is to 3z, because interest का 100 तो cancel हो गया. So x is to 2y is to 3z, right? Now 2 और 3 का LCM कितना है? 6. So divide by 6 all of them. X by 6 is to 2y by 6 is to 3z by 6. When you'll do it, what do you get? Yes, x upon 6 is to y upon 3 is to z upon, yes, 2. So ratio you are getting is, ratio is 6 is to 3 is to 2. Have you understood, children? Yes? Yes. One, tell me, all of you, have you seen it? Come on. Come on. Now see, you, all these were equal. So when you put them equal, you or multiply all of them. Yeah, you make, first of all, find out the LCM. When you find out the LCM, yes. Yeah, when you find out the LCM, you get in the denominators 1, 3 and 2. So therefore the ratio is 6 is to 3 is to 2, because you have to find out the ratio of x is to y is to z. So the denominators are in the ratio of 6 is to 3 is to 2, right? So this was an important question, the kind of a question which you do not find in your school books. Next comes a easier question for you. I know everybody will be doing this. Divya wants to fence the rectangular garden in front of her house. Yes. Yeah, I can see, I can. Yes. Come on, come on. Yes. Yes, all of you. Can you hear me? Yeah. Can you hear me? Let me just check once again. Yes, Ritvik, I can see you. Ritvik is writing, ma'am, transportation. Yes. All of you. Yes, Manas, you got the answers? Yes. 6 is to 3 is to 2. Now, you have already taken out. Yes, Akshra, did you all follow that question of simple interest? Now comes next question in front of you, question number 43. Manas says answer is C. This was an easy question. See, every time you will definitely get 10 questions easy. The rank will be based on those 5 questions which are typical, which I always circle. ऐसे हर सेशन के 11 क्वेश्चंस में से एक या दो क्वेश्चन जरूर ऐसे आते हैं. So Divya wants to fence the rectangular field. Children are saying C, and it is correct. 980. How? She wants to fence. जब भी fence होगा तो क्या निकालेंगे? Perimeter. Dimensions of the garden are 15 and 25. So what is perimeter? 2 into 15 plus 25. That gives you 2 into 25, 30, 40. That is equal to 80 meters. And simple cost, this even class 5 child can do it. 12.25 into 80. Yes, JJ, you are right. And you get 980 as the answer. So children, focus on those questions in all the sessions जिसके ऊपर स्पेशल लिखा है. आप स्क्रॉल करना सारे सेशंस को, राइट. एंड जो इजी क्वेश्चंस है उनको आप एक बार को छोड़ सकते हो, बट जो भी सेशन में 2 या 3 क्वेश्चंस ज्योमेट्री या सिंपल इंटरेस्ट कैसे आते हैं उनको जरूर करना है. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 44 है. Such type of question is present in class 8, but it has been asked in 7th IMO. Although the question is simple, but still, a shopkeeper sells 2 televisions for rupees 1955 each. Means this is television 1, this is television 2. So selling price of television 1 is 1955 and selling price of television 2 is also 1955. Now here gain is 15% and here loss is 15%. Find his total gain or loss in the whole transaction. अब टोटल फाइंड करने के लिए आपके पास पहले क्या होना चाहिए? टोटल सीपी. टोटल सीपी 1 plus CP2. So first you have to find out CP1. I want first the CP1. What is the answer of CP1? What formula you will use for CP? Which formula you will use for CP? CP is equal to 100 into SP upon 100 plus gain percent and CP2 is 100 into SP upon 100 minus loss percent. So already JJ has taken out the answer. Manas says CP1 is 1700, 100 into 1995 upon 115. Okay, Manas. And what is CP2? Yes. So here, loss is, you are correct, JJ. You did it very fast, very fast. Athar Shukla, hello. How are you? Yes. So, your CP1 comes to 1700. Manas, what is CP2 coming? CP2. Manas, I'm waiting for the CP2. Yes. CP2 is 100 into SP. Manas says 2300. Okay, I have not calculated, but Manas is saying 2300. So total CP is how much? Very good, Manas. 10, 1, 2 and 2, 4. 4000. Right. Now, you have to find out what is total SP. Total SP is 1955 plus 1955. That gives you 5, 5, 10, 1, 11, 1, 10 and 9, 19, 1, 1, 2 and 1, 3, 3910. Is it coming 3910? 2, 5, 10, 1, 2, 5, 10, 11, 1, 2, 18, 19, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3. Yes. Now, you have to find out the difference. Difference is how much? 90 rupees. This is 3910. CP was 4000. SP is less than CP. Hence, it is the loss of how much? 4000 minus 3910. So 0, 10 minus 1, 90 rupees का loss हुआ है. Right? So 90 upon total CP into 100. Yes. So you get 9 by 4. That comes to 4. 2s are 8, 1. 2, 1 by 4%. Yes. I hope everybody has followed this question. Yes. Those who will see later also, please do not make mistakes in your calculation. And the more you will practice, the more good you will be performing in the exam. Now next comes, a certain freezing process requires room temperature to be lowered, from 50 degrees Celsius at the rate of 6 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature in 12 hours after the process begin? So in 12 hours, how much the temperature will fall if it is falling 6 degrees every hour? Simple. Yes, Jayant, what doubt you have? Yeah. Jayant, what doubt you have? You can write to me on my mail. Jayant, you are a new child. You can write on Reenu MRT68 at the rate of gmail.com. Akshara has given the correct answer. Being in class 6, she is answering the question of 7. Very good. Integers ka question is simple. Yes. And yes, the temperature will fall to 12 6 72 degrees fall करेगा. So 50 से पहले 50 पर आएगा और 50 से नीचे और. So 72 degrees, right? So it will fall 50 minus 72. So that is 50 minus 72 is minus 22. Simply 50 degrees से कितना fall करेगा? 72. So what will you get? Minus 22. पहले 0 से 50, 50 से नीचे, then 0 से नीचे 22 degree Celsius. Yes. Next question, again a tricky question. Again a tricky question to confuse you all. The product of an integer. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में आप उलझ जाते हो और जनरली ऐसे ही बस ट्रू फॉल्स पढ़ के टिक कराते हो. ध्यान से पढ़ना है. The product of an integer and a rational number can never be a rational number. Now all those who are in 7th, जैसे 31st को IMO will be over, you will be get alternate day. I will be taking your math session to upgrade you for class 8th, right? We'll have a series of geometry first. The product of an integer and a rational number can never be a natural number. Product of an integer and a rational number. You say integer is 4 and rational number is 2 into 2 by 1. What answer do you get? 4 into 2 by 1, what will you get? 8. 8 is a natural number, isn't it? But they say never be a natural number. So ये false हुआ कि yes Manas, you are right. Manas, wonderful. धैर्य, wonderful. जितना अच्छा आप कर रहे हो ना, बस carefully ऐसे पेपर करके आना है. Right? And I just want to see you as your state champions. I wish you become the national champion. But चलिए national बनने में हो सकता है 1 साल 2 साल लग जाए. But city, state, zonal champion तो बनता ही है. Right. So first never की वजह से ये क्या हो गया? False. ठीक है नमन? Now, the quotient of division of an integer, let's say integer, by a rational number can never be an integer. So 8 divided by 1 by 2. Sorry, multiplied by 1 by 2 अगर यहाँ division है. So that gives you 4. It is again integer. 4 is an integer, but it says it can never be an integer. So this is also false. Hello, who has entered from the name of Mahesh Chand Agarwal? Somebody has entered from father's name. Hello child, are you? Oh, I think it's Radhika. Is it Radhika? Yes, children. Come on, all of you. I should have new subscribers today. Very good. Ritvik, just circulate this message amongst your friends. Both statement 1 and 2 are false, right? So this is done. Hello, who has entered from Vinay Kumar? All those who are new children, if they really want to know about VOS, you can write a mail to me on reenumrt68@gmail.com. Okay, Gunu. Okay. Now read the statements carefully and select the correct option. The product of an integer and a rational number can never be a natural number. The product of an integer and a rational number can never be this is the same question which we have done. Next comes the area of a square and rectangle are equal. Area of a square and rectangle are equal. Side of a square is 50 and breadth of a rectangle is 30. So find the length of the rectangle. Yes. Oh, Manasi Sinha, very good. Great. You also joined today. Wonderful. Awesome. Okay, Jayant, I will take the session on congruent triangles. Right. I will take a session on congruent triangles, surely. So length of the triangle, the area of a square and a rectangle are equal. If the side of a square is 50 and breadth of a rectangle is 30, find the length of the rectangle. Yes, come on. Yes, Abhiram, very good. All those who are new, they should write a mail. They first of all subscribe, then write a mail on my reenumrt68@gmail.com. Answer is B. Yes, without wasting your time, I will be solving the question. See, area of square will be what? 50 into 50, that comes to 2500 centimeters square. And area of rectangle is same as 2500, right? If the side of a square is 50, now area of rectangle is length into 30 is equal to 2500, right? The breadth of the rectangle is 30 centimeters, fine. So L is 2500 divided by 30. That gives you 3 8s are 24, 1, 3 3s are 9, 83.33, right? So you get 83.33. Now perimeter will be twice of length, that is 83.3 plus breadth. So 2 into 8 and 3, 11.3. That gives you 2 3s are 6, 6, 2 1s are 2, and 2 1s are 2. Yes, Nidhi Sharma. Yeah. No child, I'm not from Kota. Yes. Now all of you come to the next. मैच द फॉलोइंग. ये वाला क्वेश्चन से मिस्टेक्स होता है. यस, these questions go wrong. Yes, very good Ritvik, thank you. Match the following. Right, now we'll be solving this question. Yeah, now let us see how do we solve this. ये वाला question, it is coming for the second time now. First we are going part by part because it was not possible to solve. ये वाला part निकाल लेते हैं. The shaded fraction of this and this is the shaded fraction of. Now see, and you can also do this. First let us come to the first one, 1 divided by p. So 1 divided by, that means 1 into 9 by 2 plus 1 into 2 2s are 4, 5 by 2, so 2 by 5 plus 3 ones are 3 and 2 5 by 3. 1 into 5 by 3, that means it becomes 3 by 5. Now what do you get here? 9 by 2 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5. What is your LCM? 10. So 9 5s are 45 plus 2's 4 plus 2 3's are 6 upon 10. What do you get? 45 and 6, 51, 55 upon 10. That gives you 5 11s are 5 2s are 11 by 2. So yeah, this option matches with the second one. Yes. Now when you have to solve this big one, should I solve this? Yes. When you have to solve this big one over here, Q, you should have to write down. First start solving this part, right? This part, it will give you what? हम denominator में चल रहे हैं. 1 plus 1 upon. X is the LCM. So X plus 1 upon X, right? So it becomes denominator में X goes on the top. 1 plus X upon X plus 1, right? Now, when you take the LCM as x plus 1, so you get x plus 1 plus x upon x plus 1. ये अभी upon के नीचे ही चल रहा है, अभी ऊपर वाला हम नहीं लिख रहे हैं, 1 है on in the numerator. So this gives you 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon x plus 1. So this becomes x plus 1 upon 2x plus 1 equal to 4 by 7. Now you can calculate from x plus 1, the cross multiplied, yes, cross multiply, wait, yes. When you cross multiply, you get 7x plus 7, cross multiply over here, 7x plus 7 is equal to 4 2s are 8x plus 4, right? So what do you get? 7 minus 4 is equal to 8x minus 7x, 3 is equal to x. So x is equal to 3. So you could find out that this part matches with third and this was matching with this. And then we come to next. Then we come, yes, Q is 3, right. Now we do the next two parts. 1 minute. Now see here shaded ones and this 20. ये तो आप कर ही लोगे shaded part तो. Now 20 into 0.03 का square is 0.1239, right? Divided by 0.018. Remove the decimal, write 10 raised to power 3. Remove the decimal, write 10 raised to power 4. So 9 2s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Now what will you get? Yes, 10 into 10 raised to power 3 upon 10 raised to power 4. Yes. Come on. Have you done this? 20 into 0.00. Okay, divided by 5 bhi hai. Okay. So you get 10 raised to 4, 10 raised to 4. That is 1. It gives you 1. Now 1 divided by 0.5. That is 1 divided by 0.5 is, you write it as 5 by 10. So 1 into 10 by 5, this gives you 2. So your last part, S matches with first, right? So R will match with the third part, right? So now you get the answer as option B, right? So I hope all of you have understood this question. And then we reach to the last question. एक बार आप रिप्ले देख लीजिएगा for all the parts. इसका PQ part was very important. You should know solving of Q part. अगर नहीं आता तो we'll do more questions of that type. Understood? Now state T for true and F for a false. Just send me your date, children. When is your date of IMO? Send me your date of IMO. I will conduct more sections of important questions. Yes. Send me the date of IMO. I will conduct one session of important questions. Come on. Or you can tell me now even who all are having the exam on 24th, this coming Sunday. How many of you are having the exam on coming Sunday? Yes. Straight true or false for the last question. If the area of the rectangle PQRS is 50 and PQ is to QR is to 1, then PQ is equal to 10 and QR is equal to 5. Okay, 23rd, that means tomorrow itself. Come on, all the best, all of you. बहुत ध्यान से करना है, okay? and then you are going to tell me कि कैसा हुआ. Radhika, come on, hit the target. All the best wishes. Go through all the sessions और सारे important questions देखने हैं. If the area of the rectangle PQRS is 50 and PQ is to QR is equal to 2:1, area is 50 and ratio PQ, now make the rectangle, right? PQRS. PQ is to QR is 2:1. That means if this is 2x, this is x, right? So 2x into x is, this is the area of the rectangle. It is coming to be 50 centimeters square. So 3x square is equal, sorry, 2x square is equal to 50. So you get x square is equal to 25. So x is equal to 5. Now when you get x is equal to 5, so PQ will be how much? 10 and QR is 5. So this is true. 31 is NSO and tomorrow is IMO. Okay, all the best. I will tell you what all you have to practice tonight. Sonali has total 120 red and black pens. If 30% of them are black, so 30% of 120 are black. So how many are black? 36 are black. Then there are 40 red pens. Yes. If 30% of them are black, so then 36 are the black pens. So how many are red? Then and 80 are the black pens. So this is true or false? True or false? Yes, tell me. True or false? Next. Now 1 is upon x is to 1 upon y is to 1 upon z is 4 is to 5 is to 6. Then x is to y is to z is. Yes, x is to y is to z is. The speed of 3, okay Sunita, speed of 3 cars in the ratio 3 is to 4 is to 5. Then the ratio of the time taken by these cars to travel the same distance. The speed is this much. Then the ratio of the time taken by these cars to travel the same distance. Now distance is ratio of the time. Time is what? Speed is distance over time. So time is distance over speed and distance is x in each case, right? So distance is x when time is, yeah, distance is x in each case. So x upon 3, right? And then x upon 4 and then x upon 5. Again, you will be taking the LCM over here. Yes, come on. 4, 5, 20 or 3 ka LCM. Come on. Now, what is your answer? What answer you are giving? Yes, the answer is C. Answer is C. First is true, then false, false, and then true. Yes, Pari, you are right. Pari has entered just now. So that's great, children. And thank you so much. Now, first of all, what are the important things you have to revise for your IMO? For IMO. It is tomorrow. All the best to you. First of all the best. Come on, all the best. See, revise geometry questions, right? Triangles revise करना है आपको. कहाँ से? Revise from R.S. Agarwal, Mathematics, M.L. Agarwal, or any of the Selena publishers book you are having. Any book from you revise first of all the triangles के questions, okay? जितने भी आपको मिलते हैं और थोड़ा थोड़ा अगर कहीं complicated questions, all from your MTG workbooks and all. Triangles, then your simple interest questions, then your ratio proportion questions, because these are the questions where you are making mistakes, right? And in your mensuration, that is perimeter area, you're not getting any new question. You're getting all the questions of the workbook pattern only. So go through my sessions, revise the sessions, and please do perimeter area questions from there. जितने भी सेशंस में ट्राइंगल, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट क्वेश्चंस एंड रेशियो प्रपोर क्वेश्चंस हैं, देन रिवाइज लीनियर इक्वेशंस, वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स, राइट? These are the main things. And properties of first chapter, properties of integers, whole numbers, natural numbers, properties of integers and rational numbers. सारी properties NCERT से go through each and every line statements of integers and rational numbers. So these are the important things which you are going to revise Yeah, today is, sorry, 21st, 23rd day after tomorrow is a session. So I might plan a session tomorrow. Let me see if I get an, if traffic is not there. So I will plan a session tomorrow also. Do you all want the session tomorrow? Do you all want the revision session tomorrow? Yes? You want to revise? Come on. We'll have a live revise session tomorrow also. It will be mixed questions of 6th and 7th अक्षरा, because सबको almost same ही आता है. अगर आपने 7th का कर लिया 6th तो अपने आप ही हो जाएगा, because topics are the same. So thank you so much. Wonderful. We'll be revising the session tomorrow. All the best and start doing from today. You have 2 days to revise. So give your best. Wonderful, amazing children. Love you all. Bye. Bye all of you. Love you all. Love you all. Come on. Love you all.